Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 18, text 14. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Adhishthanam tatha karta karanam cha prathak vidham vivedascha prathak cheshtha devam chevatra panchamam. Adhishthanam tatha karta karanam cha prathak vidam vivedascha prathak cheshtha devam chavatra panchamam. Adhishthanam tatha karta karanam cha prathak vidam vivedascha prathak cheshtha devam chevatra panchamam. Adhishthanam tatha karta Translation. Adhishthanam, the place. Tatha, also. Karta, the worker. Karanam, instruments. Cha, and. Prathak, vidham, of different kinds. Vividha, various. Cha, and prathak, separate. Cheshtha, the endeavors. Devam, the spring. Cha, also. Eva, certainly. Atra, here. Panchamam, the fifth. Translation. The place of action, please repeat. The body, the performer, the various senses, the many different kinds of endeavor, and ultimately the super soul. These are the 5 factors of action. purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki. The word Adhishtanam refers to the body, the soul within the body is acting to bring about the results of activity and is therefore known as Karta, the doer. That the soul is the knower and the doer is studied in the Shruti. Esha hidrishta shastra. Prasan Upanishad 4.9. It is also confirmed in the Vedanta Sutra by the verses Janota Eva and Karta Shastra Havi Tattva Tat. The instruments of action are the senses, and by the senses the soul acts in various ways. For each and every action there is a different endeavor, but all one's activities depend on the will of the super soul, who is seated within the heart as a friend. The Supreme Lord is the super cause. Under these circumstances, he who is acting in Krishna consciousness under the direction of the super soul situated within the heart is naturally not bound by any activity. Those in complete Krishna consciousness are not ultimately responsible for their actions. Everything is dependent on the supreme will, the super soul, the supreme personality of Godhead. Om Ajnanaatimarandasya Jnanam Janashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Sathapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rup Gadamayam Dadanti Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padkamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavam Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijan Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Deva Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijan Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Deva Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopeshu Gopika Kant Shri Radha Kant Namostute Tapt Kanchan Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vanchai Kalpatruvescha Kripa Sindhuvevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Navayogendra Swami Nityanamane Namaste Prabhupada Devi Nam Sankirtan Pracharne Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Samaste Deshitarne. Namah Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamane Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshitarne. Raise your hands. Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयति गिरिं, यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणं श्रीपरमानन्दमाधवं। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसुचानूरमर्दनं, देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। हरे कृष्णा। आज व्रत तो नहीं है ना, व्रत तो कल था, हमारा आज भी व्रत है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा जोर लगाइए। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So I welcome all of you in today's Sunday program on behalf of temple management, Hare Krishna Temple, Harinagar, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, America. Hare Krishna. So it's a pleasure that I am given this opportunity to serve. Actually, to get service is a biggest fortune. In my horoscope, it is mentioned I am very fortunate person. But my bodily relations, when I joined ISKCON, they left all. They said, what we will get from this unfortunate person? He has shaven his head, he has changed his dress, he is now a pauper, he is going from door to door begging. So everybody gradually left. But things are judged by the results, and gradually I could feel that time only when I met my divine spiritual master. My real fortune has arisen. There is a saying in Hindi, शीश कटाए गुरु मिले तो भी सस्ता जान. If you will have to offer your head in Guru Dakshina to the Guru, still you have not paid anything. In turn for getting Guru Diksha. So I was having big mustache, and the first test of my surrender was, Guru Maharaj said, go and shave off your mustache. So it was a big test because for all my years I had to struggle to keep them preserved in the area where everybody was looking at me as an Indian agent, so many things, Bhagat Singh and this and that. Somehow or other, again, Urdu saying is coming to my mind. You can repeat if you can. Nigahe mard mumin se, please repeat. Nigahe mard mumin se बदल जाती हैं तकदीरें, जो हो ज़ोक़े यकीन पैदा तो कट जाती है जंजीरें. Translation you want? Just by mere sight of a movement in Quran, it is mentioned. There is no word Muslim mentioned in Quran, but the word Mu'min is mentioned many a times. And according to Vedic terminology, a pure devotee of God is a Vaishnava. Prabhupada said, to be a Vaishnava is very rare. Simply wearing the robe, dhoti, kurta, tilak, shikha, does not mean we have become Vaishnavas. To be Vaishnava or to eat vegetables, in Kashmir, a Vaishnava means who eats vegetable. But to be a Vaishnava is very rare. In Gujarati, the definition of Vaishnava is Vaishnava jan ko tene kahiye, Vaishnava jan ko पीर पराई जाने रे. पर तुखे उपकार करे तुहे, मन अभिमान न आने रे. वैष्णव जन को तेने कही. Who is a Vaishnava? Vaishnava means par dukh dukhi. Who is seeing others unhappy becomes unhappy. So this Bhagavad Gita is a mere compassion of Lord Sri Krishna on the most fallen souls of this age. Sri Krishna Bhagavad Gita, in Bhagavad Gita it says, Suhardam Sarva Bhutanam Bhoktaram Yagitapsam Sarvalokoho Maheshwara Suhardam Sarva Bhutanam Gyatmam Adishantiragacchati. Generally, everybody is fascinated to come to America. Even in ISKCON, many people join ISKCON so that they will get a free flight to America. Prabhupada said, now we have grown so big, so many people will come to ISKCON for attaining two goals. One goal is to get married to a white body, and another goal is to reach America. One should be very careful. And my Guru Maharaj always in his lectures used to say, when he used to come to India after American, European tour, I personally saw him immediately going to Vrindavan, staying there, doing japa. Whenever he returns from the American tour, he immediately goes to Vrindavan or Haridwar. There he takes some rest, means does extra bhajan to get relieved from the tension of America. Why? Because this America is the place of enjoyment. So where there is enjoyment, there is no peace. Where there is Krishna, there is real enjoyment, because Lord Sri Krishna says, I am the only enjoyer, Bhoktaram Yegistapsam. All the sacrifices, I am the only and only enjoyer. Bhoktaram Yegistapsam Sarva Loko, not 1, 2, 3. This, that, Om Bhuva Swaha, Sarvaloko, all the planetary system. I am the only enjoyer, and this America, everybody thinks I am the enjoyer. So they will make different arrangements for enjoyment. And that is the cause for our suffering. That's why Bhakti Siddhanta Maharaj asked his 60,000 disciples to go to America, because Maya ka andhkar nirala. Please repeat. Bahar ujla bhitar kala. Ujwal pehniye kapda, पान सुपारी खाए, एक हरि की भक्ति बिना बांधा यमपुर जाए. So this is America. Ujwal, everybody, this morning we went to a church, everybody was spine packed. What is the term? Spotless. Ladies well dressed, A to Z, दो चोटियाँ, 2 चोटियाँ और complete सर ढका हुआ, well span and spec, and speaking all Vaishnav language, whatever they keeping God in the center, but only one thing missing, they eat meat. They spoke, they written, I also asked, I raised the hand, what about this? It is mentioned there. What was the word? Do not eat dead. So when I asked, they give hodgepodge answer. So I never wanted to get into controversy. I said, oh, I am a guest. But I hinted them. I raised my hand and asked, what about this dead? Then nobody came to argue. They said, oh. So same is the case with all of us. To see Ujwal pehniye kapda, pan supari khaye. We come in competition with the material world by dressing up, coming in competition with the people. Prabhupada came to West. He was asked, Prabhupada, if you have to preach to the Western country, Western world, Western people, you will have to wear necktie, pant, shirt. You will have to eat with that. Fork and is too much? Voice is too much?
You're good.
Prabhupada said, I have come here to make them my followers. I have not come here to become their follower. Actually, Prabhupada never wanted to make people their followers. He was once asked, Prabhupada, how many followers you have in India? And the instant reply was, everybody is the devotee of Krishna in India. Bolo Srila Prabhupada ki. He came to West. He came to America to make people followers of Krishna. But you need to have a spiritual master, as Lord himself practiced अपनो आचरण प्रभु जीवे रे सिखाए. He accepted spiritual master and he served him like a menial servant. Supreme Lord. And serving, going to the jungle, getting wood for fire sacrifice, going and begging alms in the daytime from door to door with Sudama, and like the beggar, like a pauper, having no false ego and giving us a practical example. Yat yat acharit shreshtas, please repeat. Yat yat acharit shreshtas. Yat yat acharit shreshta tat tat evo itara jana. Sa yat pramanu kurte loka tat anuvartate. Whatever a big man does in the society, yat what acharit, practice. Everybody has a desire to become the leader, because we are part and parcel of the Supreme Leader Krishna. So that desire is in every one of us. But once it comes to the practice of becoming a practical leader, practical teacher, transmitter, it becomes very difficult. Because to have many followers, everybody wants. Who doesn't want many followers? But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, na danam na janam na sundari kavita va jagadish kame mama janmani janmani ishvare bhavatar bhaktir ahetu ki tvai na dhanam na janam. Oh my Lord, I don't want any na dhanam, no money, no dollars. Na janam, I don't want many followers. Na dhanam, na janam, na sundari. My Guru Maharaj says, when woman decorates her body, because it's a natural instinct in woman folk to have cosmetics. But Vedic terminology, Vedas say a body of a woman or woman should decorate her body only for the pleasure of her husband. And when husband goes away, she should look like a widow, so that no another person is attracted to her. And when she should become pativrat and she should have full alankars, she should have all full like Parvati. Lord Shiva is a Bhoot Baba. He is fully with all those, Narkankal heads around his and Anand Sheshnag and this, that, and with a loin cloth. But Mata Parvati is fully dressed, a Pativrata Sati Mata. This Vedic way of life does not believe in pseudo-renunciation. No, whatever is required, whatever are the instincts within us, they should be utilized properly to cultivate Krishna consciousness. So if woman attracts a man and man is attracted, impelled by that attraction, it gets into some illicit activity, the man goes to hell, and one who becomes instrumental in sending him to hell, that person also goes to hell. So nowadays this America is a royal road to hell. So Guru Maharaj, when he returned to India, and he always says, अगर किसी को पागल कुत्ते ने काटा हो तो अमेरिका में जाकर रहे. It is good to visit America, to have the glare of Maya, to see what really Maya is, but to decide staying in America is very, very dangerous. It's very, very suicidal. So I decided, I was given offer 15, 16 years before to come to India. I immediately rejected. I said, no Guru Maharaj, I will not go. Maharaj also never said next time, okay, oh, why don't you go? You got sponsorship, you got everything. It's very difficult to get. Nowadays, 20, 30 lakhs people give for getting visa. Still they don't get, but you are getting everything. Why don't you go? He didn't say anything. But now, Namdev Prabhu asked me, I said, whatever my Guru Maharaj order is, because I am his scapegoat. You understand scapegoat? Bali ka bakra. Because I have given myself to my spiritual master. The way he wants to use me, please use me. My grand spiritual master, he came to this West, a real Vaishnava who saw the plight of these people, hippies, suffering. Now our Indian youths are becoming hippies. They are behaving like hippies, cutting their hair like this, haircut, hippie. Now everybody, you go to big cities, even small cities, wherever you feel young people becoming hippies. Because Maya ka andhkar nirala is TV. So today's shloka is particularly giving us one straightforward, that there is a super soul who is the controller of everything, and he resides within our heart. He knows each and every action, thought of ours, and he reciprocates. There is a bhajan in Hindi. तूने आंगन नहीं बुआरा, प्लीज. तूने आंगन नहीं बुआरा, अब तक गंदा पड़ा दुआरा. कैसे आएंगे भगवान, अंतर के पट खोल देख ले, अंतर के पट खोल देख ले, ईश्वर पास मिलेगा. अंतर के फल पट खोल देख ले. We have to open the windows within. We have accumulated lot of dirt, lust, काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार, ईर्ष्या, द्वेष, छल, कपट. काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार, lust, greed, enviousness, jealousy. And because of that, we are in a big trouble. In Urdu there is a saying, not exactly Urdu, it's Kashmiri. Netya Badascho Roz Bad. One who has got ill conscious, he has no food to eat even. He will not get food to eat, Rose means to get something to eat. So, this movement is very for the very fortunate souls. Sumedh Saha, Prayen Alpayeshu, Sabya Asmin Kali Yuge Jana, Mand Sumand Matyor Mand Bhagya Upadrita. In this age, everybody is unfortunate, having less lives, less age, less buddhi, less memory. But Kirtanadeva Krishnasya this movement, which Lord Krishna himself came in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he gave us to arouse our fortune by chanting the holy name of Krishna all the time. Utite Baijite, please repeat. Khaite Shuite Yatha Tatha Namalay Desh Kal Niyam Nahi Sarva Siddhi Hoy. Utite Baijite Khaite Shuite. While standing, sitting, what you have to do? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vardhan. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Everyone please. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare God Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Bol, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Okay. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. बोलो हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय. Prabhupada said, these books are like atom bomb. Wherever you go, you give a book. So I found this opportunity this morning to go to the church. So I was never in a mood to discuss anything with them. I was simply there to give Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita. Prabhupada said, any amount of your lecture will not work. You simply give my one book, it will work. So they asked me, are you Hindu? What is this?